Hello guys. So this is an introductory video to chapter 1. We're going to talk about equations throughout this chapter. So the next few minutes I'm going to talk about some introductory concepts. And let's begin with what is an equation. So in just a few words, we could say that an equation is a mathematical statement. So what does that state? It states that two things are equal. But if we are going to use a more technical word for this, instead of saying two things, we can say two expressions, two mathematical or two algebraic expressions are equal. That means that we are going to involve the equal sign, and one expression is on one side, the other expression is on the other side. There are different types of equations. And we could start with a very simple one where we say that this expression 1 plus 1 is equal to this expression 2. Now, on the other hand, if you take a look at the expression here, the second one, the equation down here, we could say that this expression that is formed by two terms, 3x plus 1, is equal to this expression 10. That is just one constant. The thing is that when we have this example where one of the terms contains a variable, and this is the simple example that we are going to be working with, we have that it's possible to, by using certain properties of equations, of algebraic equations, to find out what the actual value of this variable is. Remember, we learned that variables may represent any number, but in this case, using those steps or properties that we are going to be dealing with, we are going to be able to find out the exact number corresponding to this variable so that the equation is true or that the equation is balanced, because this is another word that we're going to be using for this chapter. All right, so that's all for now.